Hi, my name's Pete, and I'm here today to talk to you about the New York Standard U-Lock. The New York Standard U-Lock is rated a 9 out of 10 on our security scale. This form of ultimate security is great for major metropolitan areas, as well as riding around college campuses. This U-Lock comes with a double deadbolt design, which means that it locks on both ends of the shackle. Also included are 3 stainless steel keys, one with an LED light, and make sure to register those keys with us. In the event that you lose them, we can send you 2 free replacements. Also included with this lock is a sliding dust cover, which helps keep dirt and debris out of your cylinder, and a Transit Flex Frame U-bracket. This bracket can be attached to the frame of your bicycle and makes transporting the lock very simple. This lock comes with Kryptonite's lifetime warranty. It has a 16mm hardened steel shackle, and the interior locking dimensions are 4 inches by 8 inches. The New York Standard U-Lock, ultimate security, great for city riding, and also available in a long shackle model.